Deleting bots on Character AI is a simple process that helps you manage your list of characters and keep it organized. To delete a bot, start by logging into your Character AI account and navigating to your bot list or dashboard. From there, locate the bot you wish to delete. Click on the bot's profile to open its settings or options menu, usually represented by an icon like a gear or a drop-down menu. Within the settings, look for a delete or remove option. This option is typically labeled clearly, making it easy to spot. When you select it, you'll likely receive a prompt asking for confirmation to ensure you really want to delete the bot. Confirming this action will permanently remove the bot from your list, so make sure you're certain before proceeding. Deleting a bot is permanent, meaning you won't be able to retrieve it or any associated data after it's removed. If you have multiple bots to delete, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. Once deleted, refresh your bot list to confirm that the character has been successfully removed. This feature is especially useful for maintaining an organized space, allowing you to remove any bots that are no longer needed.